Hi, this is Melissa Smith, and this is the weekend blizzard update from the National Weather Service here in Rapid City as of Friday afternoon, November 29th. We're still looking at significant blizzard and winter storm impacting the area this weekend. There's blizzard warnings that have been issued for northeastern Wyoming, western South Dakota, into the panhandle of Nebraska, and into parts of eastern Wyoming. There's also in pink, we see the winter storm warnings in effect for the Black Hills, areas to the north into southeast Montana, southwestern North Dakota, and into central South Dakota. As far as snowfall totals across the area, we're looking for widespread 6 to 12 inches. We'll see some higher amounts. Highest snowfall totals will occur over the northern Black Hills, where amounts of 2 feet or so are possible in the northern Black Hills, especially around the Meade and Deadwood areas. There will also be a minimum of snowfall. That would be from about the Newcastle towards Custer to Dewey area, as we call that our favored downslope area. Wind gusts on Saturday will combine with the snow, creating the blizzard conditions. We're looking for wind gusts in excess of 45 to 55 miles an hour. Strongest winds we're looking for is going to be on the plains east of Rapid City, southern Meade County, the Pennington County Plains, out towards the Wall, Phillip, and Badlands area. So now we're going to break it down, look at specific areas. For northeastern Wyoming, that snow is going to really begin after sunset tonight. The area from Newcastle to Dewey or so, that's going to be our downslope area. We're looking for that snow to end around sunrise. Elsewhere, that snow is going to end from about southwest towards northeast Saturday afternoon into early evening. As you get into that Bear Lodge Mountain areas from Hewlett to Sundance, there will be additional snowfall in that area, and that will be the area where the snow ends last. As far as winds, they're going to increase after midnight. Our strongest winds for northeastern Wyoming will be on Saturday. That's when we're going to see those wind gusts of 50 miles an hour. And those winds will be decreasing early Saturday evening across northeastern Wyoming. As we get into the Black Hills and the Foothills, the snow is going to begin after sunset tonight. There is the area in blue that is showing that downslope area in the southwestern portion of the Black Hills, pretty much from near Newcastle to Custer to Edgemont areas. This area will get all their snow tonight. It'll be ending around sunrise on Saturday. Elsewhere, that snow is going to continue through Saturday night, especially over the northern Black Hills. The snow will end over the Black Hills, starting in that favored downslope area and expanding outwards from there, with the last area to end for the snowfall in the Spearfish and Lee Deadwood and area. The winds in this area will increase towards sunrise. Strongest winds are going to be on Saturday before decreasing on Saturday evening. Snowfall totals of over 2 feet are likely in the northern Black Hills, that Lee Deadwood area. For northwestern South Dakota, we're looking at Harding, Perkins, Butte, northern Meade, and Ziebach counties. Snowfall amounts of 8 to 15 inches are expected, with snow beginning mid-evening before ending Saturday night. Winds are going to increase after midnight tonight with those strong winds on Saturday. We'll see wind gusts of 50 to 60 miles an hour. Those winds will decrease early Sunday morning. This area will see significant blowing and drifting of snow. Southwestern South Dakota, we're looking at Custer, Fall River, and Ogallala Lakota counties. The snow is going to move in from the southeast this evening before ending Saturday night from west to east. We see that area there in western Custer County and northwestern Fall River County, where that snowfall is going to be a lot lighter. But then we look at that 9 to 13 inches, even possibly about 8 to 14 inches in Ogallala Lakota County. The winds in this area will increase towards sunrise, with our strongest winds on Saturday before decreasing Saturday night. The snow is going to end from west to east, but also spread out from that snow, from that downslope area around the Custer and Dewey area. West central South Dakota, the Pennington County Plains, southern Meade County, Haakon County, and Jackson County. This will be the area that has the strongest winds, and we're looking for wind gusts over 60 miles an hour in this area. The snow is going to move in from the southeast this evening before ending Saturday night from west to east. Snowfall amounts in this area will be 8 to 15 inches, with most areas seeing some additional snowfall all the way into Saturday night. The winds are going to increase after midnight tonight, with our strongest winds on Saturday. That's when we're going to see frequent gusts over 60 miles an hour before decreasing early on Sunday. South central South Dakota, as we get towards Bennett, Mellette, Todd, and Tripp counties, we still have some freezing drizzle in this area. That's going to transition over to snow after midnight tonight. This is our transition zone. We're looking for snowfall amounts in this area closer to 6 to 12 inches. Also, the winds are going to increase Saturday morning. The strongest winds will be Saturday afternoon and evening, but then they won't decrease until Sunday morning or so. This area is going to be a little bit delayed compared to the rest of western South Dakota for the storm to reach the area. In summary, we're looking for blizzard conditions with significant impacts all the way across northeastern Wyoming, the Black Hills, and western South Dakota. Snowfall amounts of 6 to 12 inches in most areas. Higher amounts of over 2 feet in the northern Black Hills are possible. The very strong winds of 40 to 50 miles an hour means that the snow is not going to fall evenly. There's going to be lots of blowing and drifting snow and zero visibility. Travel will be very difficult, if not impossible, with the combination of the winds and the snow. The snow is going to begin tonight before ending on Saturday night. If you would like any updated information, please go to our website at weather.gov/rapidcity, or you can go to our winter weather briefing page at weather.gov/UNR/briefing. You can also reach us at Twitter or Facebook if you have any individual questions. Thank you.